Bynta ka jingdap 3rd anniversary jong ka National Education Policy R1000 arpo NEP R1000 arpo ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Jnv Mukhla West Jnta Hills District kum kawei na ka jaka pule ka bala shah jied hapoh ka NEP R1000 arpo mynta kasi ka skul ka pynskewthuh halor ka rukom treikam jong ka NEP R1000 arpo lyngba u principal jong ka Neeraj Kumar haka jingkren kilat pathai khubor utay u principal ulayathu bayakani ka NEP R1000 arpo la Pyntreikam kumbalai Snem mynta nadu baladep menjur daka sarkar kami haka arpo kandai tarik u Julai R1000 arpo daka Jing ban penlong yakari ka baklain bor haka pule puthi kani ka rukom ai jing hikaya ki kena skul hapoh ka NEP R1000 arpo kan kentup haka 5+3+3+4 kata san Snem haka foundation stage lai Snem haka preparatory stage lai Snem haka middle stage but south Snem haka secondary stage shu kani kan yarap kumdo ban penkiu ka pule puthi ka bayar haki jingmut jing perkhat jongki kena skul but habaro kiliang nadu ka ktien ka theliet ka jing sngo ka jing le khut ka juk jong ka jing start science ka jing lai luot ka jing kit khle haladi na lor ki weide layathu hapoh kari nakaliang menteri rangba uladep penbanai ki khat 100,000 sanspa tali ki skul hapoh kari ki bayo jingrap lyngba ka pradhan mantri school for rising India PM Shri Yojana but kini ki skul kin Pyntreikam hok yaka NEP R1000 arpo
assessment, review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development, because this NEP is focusing more on holistic development. So there will be a great reform in the assessment pattern. We are shifting from summative assessment to formative assessment. There will be continuous assessment of the student, and students will be assessed not only by the school teachers but also by their classmates, their hostel mates, their parents, their teachers as well. Then next achievement is NDR. NDR means the National Digital Education Architecture. The vision of NDR is to create a unifying national digital infrastructure to energize and catalyze the education ecosystem. Then next is PM eVidya. Under PM eVidya, Diksha, that is digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing as one nation, one digital platform for education, which is a storehouse of over 3.17 lakh e-content and 6,600 energized textbooks in 36 languages. You can see the example of one textbook. Swam Prava TV channel is also there. Radio, community radio broadcasting. You can see this is the teacher energized resource manual which is already prepared by NCERT, and we are giving it to teachers and students so as to focus on more creative teaching. Integrated teacher education program is also there. National professional standard for teachers is a statement of quality and defines competencies of teachers at different stages level and performance appraisal based on those competencies. The guiding document has been developed through extensive consultation with stakeholders, field level research and due deliberations. Skill development focus will also be there. New India literacy program is there. Vidyanjali portal is there. National mission for mentoring is there. As far as skill development is concerned, integration of vocational education with general education will be there. Convergence and integration of skills across disciplines, technology enabled learning, entrepreneurship and life skills, teacher training and professional development, experiential learning through internship and apprenticeship, continuous evaluation, fostering global competence in skill development, inclusive and sustainable skills, skilling in regional language and many more.